Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on an Epson ET-2750 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner. So if you've ever noticed that when you print to this, whenever you print to the printer from your computer, and there's been no issues, but as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan, all of a sudden you're starting to realize that you're getting blotches or lines or anything like that on your printouts, then it's going to be because your scanner bed is dirty. So the easiest way to clean it is to lift the top cover. You're going to want a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have a glass cleaner handy, then rubbing alcohol works really well as well. Now the one thing is you always want to make sure you apply the glass cleaner to the cloth and never to the glass. If you apply the glass cleaner directly to the glass, you can actually cause a lot more trouble than it's really worth. So always make sure you apply it directly to the cloth. And then we're just going to wipe down the glass. You're looking for any kind of ink, tape, adhesive, whiteout's really common. Anything like that that's kind of built up and developed some smudges or just left little pieces of something on there. You're just going to go through, wipe down the glass really, really well. Trying to avoid any kind of smudges and smearing. And once you're done, just kind of look it over. Make sure you don't see anything that's visibly still there. Then I'd go ahead and close it. I'd run another copy or a test page just to make sure you're happy with the way it comes out. If you're still seeing spots or anything like that, I'd go ahead and clean it one more time the exact same way, and that should take care of it and it'll be back up and printing.